Thank you so much for being here. I do hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. I'm excited, as you can see from the description below. Today we are going to be unboxing our mini paper box subscription. This is the April 2019 mini paper box. I love this subscription, you guys. They do have two different plans. They have the mini, which is a $10 monthly plan. And then they have their grand box, which is $28 a month. That box you receive tons of stuff. I mean, and it can range from, you know, notepads, journals, always a little pop-up calendar, all kinds of cute personalized stuff. That is the one thing about the subscription I love. It is always personalized. So the $10 mini comes with 3 personalized notepads each month. And then, like I said, the grand comes with a wide assortment of products every month. And it is also personalized. It is $28 and well worth every penny. I love stationery, personalized stationery. And then the cards usually that you receive in the grand box are so adorable, and the fact that they're personalized, and it has really gotten me into sending cards more than I used to, which I am very happy with. I love sending cards. So, but today, like I said, we are focusing on the mini for April 2019. I know that the grand box, I already unboxed that one. It is beautiful. It was amazing. I loved everything in it, and I'm sure this will not be disappointing at all. I'm sure it will be very beautiful as well. Before I forget, if you have not already, please head over and check out my Disney Villains ColourPop video. I do have an active giveaway going on in that video. It will end on April 18th, but you have a chance to win the Show Me Your Moo Moo Brie robe from FabFitFun and a brand new Michael Kors wallet. So do definitely head over and check that out. And if you have not already, please do subscribe. We would love to have you join us. And give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and leave me a comment down below telling me about your day and what you think of the video. I love hearing from you guys. So, let's get this open. It was sealed very well. There we go. Alright, so this is how it comes. It always comes, the 3 notepads in the mini come tied up in this cute little paper here from my paper box. I will make sure to put a link for them down below, so if you'd like to sign up for either the mini or the grand, you can. And then, so let's take this off. So we'll put the notepads to the side because we have a card, and it says, "Hello, happy Earth Day month. Even though every day is Earth Day, we decided that more than Even though every day is Earth Day, we decided that more than celebrating the Earth, it's time to celebrate you. We've included some items to help you take care of yourself, your house, and wallet." So that would be nice. Yes. So the first thing I see on top is super cute. I love this, and I need this. My husband will tell you I need this badly. So it is Nicki's shopping budget, and it has literally little check marks right here, like little check boxes, item, and cost, and then total down here so you can add it up. That is so cute. And like I said, total down there at the bottom. I love this. This is a great way to keep up with things. I could probably use this to keep track of my subscription boxes. So this is a great idea. I think something like this is awesome, and I love making lists. I really do. So things like this that are personalized and kind of already tell me what I need to do are awesome. So I am really happy with that first one. And then this one, this is awesome. And all of these all seem to have such a good amount of sheets. Nicki's Around the House Plan. So it's got kitchen, master bathroom, guest bathroom, front and back porch, living room, master bedroom, guest bedroom, laundry room, pantry, and others. So this is awesome because this is such a great way to keep track of what you need to do, what you need to clean, what you need to organize. You know, if you want to do some spring cleaning because it is that time of year, you know, this is a great way to, if you want to do one room a day. I know a lot of people say that that's a good way to do spring cleaning, focus on one room each day. So you could write down what you want to do, you know, like clean out the cabinets, clean out fridge, clean out freezer, you know, wipe down every, you know, all appliances or whatever the case may be. And you can check them off, and then you could, you know, for 1 week maybe do that. And then after that, once you've done like your big heavy duty spring clean, you have this to keep up with just on a weekly or even daily basis. So this is great. I really like this, and I know I will use this. You guys know, if you've seen my Grove Collaborative orders, I love to clean. I love to crank up my music when, you know, my husband's not here and Christopher's not here, and just get to cleaning. I really do enjoy it. So this is awesome, and this will get put to use for sure. And then our third and final notepad is, oh, this is cute, Nicki's self-care plan. So this again is super cute. So here it says, today I will care for myself by, today I will accomplish. And then it says, eat some fruits and vegetables, and it's got little fruits pictures down here so you could like check off what you've done. Remember to drink plenty of water, and then it's got droplets. Maybe you could color one in for each time you drink, 8 ounces, because that's what you need to do. And then it has tips right here. So we have get 8 hours of sleep. That's easier said than done. Take a break from your phone. Wash your face. Put on some clean sheets. Watch your favorite TV show. Listen to music. Buy a new scented candle. Take a bubble bath. Do some simple stretches, go for a short walk, have dinner or lunch with a friend, plan a visit with your family, start an adult coloring book, try out a new recipe, get a manicure or pedicure, check, 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 yes, buy something small for yourself, splurge, eat your favorite meal or dessert. So these are your tips for self-care. So this is awesome. I really do like this a lot. And I do love, and all of them have this similar design, this like beautiful floral vine looking background, which is so cute. And like I said, each one of them has a really good amount of sheets. So it's not like, you know, you've got like 5 sheets or even 10 sheets on here. You've got quite a few sheets on here. So you can utilize each of these notepads numerous times. So I think that is great. Like I said, I will put a link down below for my paper box, and it will give you the option for the mini or the grand. Again, the mini is $10 a month. The grand is $28. And I do believe there is a coupon code. I will double check and put down below that can get you, I think, $10 off your first grand box. So that is awesome. And the grand box, like I said, is just super, super adorable. It comes with tons of notepads, different things, but it comes with, like I said, personalized greeting cards, a cute pop-up calendar every month, and then different types of little journals or just different types of stationery, you know, to help you stay organized, help it to be fun. That doesn't sound grammar. I can't talk. Help make it fun to stay organized. That still doesn't sound right, but we're gonna go with it. Y'all know what I mean. So anyway, I have rambled enough. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and my little moment. Again, have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.